बेळगाव येथील शिवबसवनगरातील द इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंजिनियर्स बेळगाव लोकल सेंटर येथे शुक्रवारी जलसंपदा प्रकल्प, त्यांचे व्यवस्थापन व शाश्वतता या विषयावर राष्ट्रीय स्तरावरील कार्यशाळेचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. ही कार्यशाळा पाटबंधारे विभाग आणि इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंजिनियर्स यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने आयोजित करण्यात आली होती. या कार्यक्रमाचे उद्घाटन ऐझन हुसेन, जयप्रकाश, राजेश अम्मीनभावी आणि बी.के. कुलकर्णी यांच्या हस्ते करण्यात आले. जलसंपदा विषयावर देशातील 9 अनुभवी तज्ञ संसाधन व्यक्तींनी विविध मुद्द्यांवर सविस्तर मार्गदर्शन केले.
During my visit to Japan in 2012, in connection with Expressway Development Policy, which are related to disciplined work culture in construction and best construction practices. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. Let us take up the topic related to disciplined work culture in construction and best construction practices. As we know, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. We are setting the goals. What exactly that is required to accomplish it? Discipline is one of the factors. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you going. It is the discipline and the sophistication in the construction practices that attracted my mind during my visit to Japan during 2012, while I was Chief Engineer National Highways. I visited one of the expressway construction sites in Japan, close by to Tokyo, wherein substantial number of equipments and machineries were deployed on the work execution. At the end of each day, this is very important, at the end of each day, the equipments and machineries were allowed to pass through dust cleaning platforms and water jet platforms for getting them cleaned of dust, dirt and slushy material. Then only they were being allowed to ply on other prefectural roads with a view to keep up hygiene. Hygiene ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
या कार्यशाळेत डॉक्टर व्यंकटेश विलास पदामी, एस.एम. मेटी, एस.वाय. कुंदर्गी, सी.आय. हिरेमठ यांच्यासह अनेक मान्यवर उपस्थित होते. कृष्णा कांबळे, KMM मराठी, बेळगाव.
क्षण आले, क्षण प्रेमळ है, रेशमात गुंफून सोनेरी.
B.S. Channabasappa and Sons, The Textile Mall, Tilakvadi, Belagavi.